So we're trying to get people who stay in the house to get more active, and we're just going over the park and doing activities and then trying to influence people to go over the park more and get out of the house more and all.
I think people enjoy this club because it's not a regular club, it's not like football or like dancing.
In the park, we all go different ways, and I enjoy when we try and to find all the pictures and things.
Well, I love about Park Fun is that it's not like any other club. We had the speed walking race. I like that because I won, but it was really fun.
Long term, we would like this club to be a staple every year. So each half term, we would offer this club to a different year group, and then we'd work our way through the school.